In this lesson, we're going to learn Kibon Hyung number 5. So that means beginner pattern number 5. Good. Junbi. And in the next lesson, I'm going to show the whole pattern uninterrupted. So this is learning it step by step. So from here, first movement. Step back, L stance, forearm guarding block. From here, quick jab punch. So you're in this position here, shoot that left hand forward and do a left high punch with the lead hand. Now from here, right leg front snap kick. As soon as you step down with that front snap kick, jumping front snap kick, and then pivot, doing the long pivot. L stance, forearm guarding block. Now we're going to repeat that. So from here, jab punch, so off that lead hand, quick high punch. From there, left leg front snap kick, and when you step down, right away, jumping front snap kick, pivot the long way around, and do forearm guarding block. So again, I'm trying my best to reposition so that I stay on camera at all times. So from here, next movement, U-shape punch in a long L stance. So long L stance, reaching forward, U-shape punch. Step over, turn around. Same thing on the other side. Long L stance, U-shape punch. Now, coming forward, left fingertip, low straight thrust in walking stance. Now, peeking over top of your shoulder, make sure I have enough space. Peeking over your shoulder, coming back. Left back fist side strike, so not this, this, and low block at the same time. Now, from here, coming forward, left fingertip middle straight thrust. Now, so we're here, fingertip middle straight thrust and key up. This is in walking stance. Coming forward, left upset punch. So you can think of this as a grab and pulling in, striking. Now from here, shifting to walking stance, twin head grab. Now from here, knee front strike. And as soon as you do the knee front strike, coming down, left, right, middle punch. So as fast as you can. 1, 2. Now from here, pivoting. Left, round punch in a closed stance. So, left round punch, closed stance. From this position here, we're going to do a high side kick that way. So from here, high side kick, X fist, pressing block in an L stance. So X fist pressing block in an L stance. Now from here, left twisting kick, swing back, and jump forward. Left back fist side strike in an X stance. And then step forward and do knife hand guarding block in an L stance. Then step over, turn around, knife hand low guarding block in L stance. Shift the foot over, and do reverse downward punch in walking stance and key up. So that's the end of the pattern. And then long. Breath control. So that is pattern number 5. And very important, after you've done the X fist pressing block, don't put your left leg down in between. So go right away from here, twisting kick. So you start out, do the twisting kick, and then swing back with that pendulum and leap forward into the back fist side strike. So it's all one action. 1, 2, like that. So that is Kibon Hyung number 5.